2328 Riverbend Drive. I'm down here in Violet, down in the parish in St. Bernard. And really, truly an awesome place to live because of the people. Truly, it's the people that make St. Bernard what it is in a great way. They'll give you the shirt off their back if you need it. So, in this house, this is brand new construction, right? So there's nothing like new, like nobody's ever lived in it, nobody's ever used it. It's just brand new, and it's yours to come on, check it out. It's just the storm. There's a storm rolling in, by the way, so we're going to beat the rain here. There's one little thing that has to be tightened up on any new construction. Once in a while, you just have this punch-out list. The stove vent with the wind blowing is flapping, so this has to be properly secured. But the house itself, it's 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. So it's 4, and there's really no sacrifice of common area living space, as you see when we go inside. About 1,600 square feet, I think a little bit more than that. Vinyl siding, you can see that it's raised, so you have this storage area underneath. It is a corner lot, right? So all the way back over here, this is your lot. It's not fenced yet, but you do have a nice sized backyard. And there's a crawl space to underneath the house on the other side, on this left side over here. Let's go check out the inside. All right, so coming in, again, you have just the flooring's the same throughout, which is great. It's vinyl plank, great color, open floor plan. So this would be like a little dining area. Plus you have the eat-in counter right here, living area. Nice kitchen, undermount sink, stainless appliances, and the granite. And look, gotta love them, soft close cabinets. So over here is a pantry. This is the back door to the side porch. So this is the driveway side right here. As you can see. Just some really nice touches. Like I love the dark staining of the wood. You're finding that coming back, metal railing. In terms of style and color, white and gray is still popular, but you're seeing these elements of dark colors coming in, some blues, some of that black. It's really just kind of offsets nicely. So here's bedroom number 1. Speaking of blues, very nice blue. And then this is a nice walk-in closet. Notice how the flooring comes in is the same throughout. Bathroom. Bedroom number 2. And this is a good sized room also. And this one's not a walk-in, it's a good size reach-in though. You can see. Some extra flooring. Oh, by the way, linen, coat, storage closet, whatever you like. Here's the attic. And this is the laundry nook closet, if you will. Again, that's that stove vent that has to be secured. And then bedroom number 3. And the master's right here. So nice size room. It's more long, but you can comfortably fit a king size bed over there or over here. As you see, you can sit it in between and you have places for nightstands. This is the bathroom. Tub shower combo. And then this is the closet. Again, another walk-in. You do have some custom shelving in here, which is real nice. Brand new, unused, unlived in. And when you compare pricing in this area, when you're looking in St. Bernard at new construction, like this, the price on this house beats them all. It really does. And it's brand new. Comes with by the state of Louisiana, it does come with a state mandated warranty. Maybe we'll do a video on that separately at some point in the future. That's always good to know. That's mandated by the state. So come check it out. If you have an agent, let them know you want to see it. And if you don't have an agent, by all means, let us know you want to see it. We are happy to show it to you. Until later, bye-bye.